Alrighty, folks, we're on sheep number 3. The baby got hungry, so we had to stop filming for a little bit, but I'm going to show you how to gut this thing. So you don't want to pop any of the insides. So I accidentally cut a little bit on this when I was skinning it, but we're just going to open this up, and I'm going to use my fingers. See, there's something you don't want to hit right there. I'm going to use my fingers to guard and keep the insides back without putting my fingers in the way of the knife. And we're just going to cut down here. Look at that fat. These sheep are so fat. So you can save all this and make lard out of it, but we just have too much, so. Oh, it's tallow. So I'm just going to get in here. You can't do this without getting dirty, so just get in there and get after it. Get everything kind of broken loose down here. There's a liver. Then I'm going to grab the poo tube. Pull that down. When I cut the tail off, I made sure that that was loose, so it came out easy. There's the bladder. Well, that's exciting. Sprayed myself with it. There we go. It's pretty much empty. It'll have 2 little strings connected to the kidneys. Believe it or not, the kidneys are inside these giant globs of fat. We're going to leave those in for now. Break all those tubes. Alright, so we want the liver. We're going to hang on to it. There we go. Just a gallbladder sac. You don't want that. That's going to taste bad. There we go. There's the liver. Alright, now there's their diaphragm. So up there are the lungs. Now if this was a deer, this would probably be all full of blood because you'd probably have shot it through the heart or lungs. Alright. But with the sheep, it's gonna be nice, mostly clean in here. So I'm gonna pull back the diaphragm. There's the lungs. I'm gonna reach, this is where it gets dirty. I'm gonna reach down to get my hands around the heart, and then my arms are leveraged on the rib cage, and then I'm just gonna bend my knees and just pry everything out. Grab the windpipe. Look at that. This might actually. That's pretty cool. Alright. There we go, there's the heart. Completely covered in fat. Alright. So we'll just check in here. Got a little something in my mouth. There's a little tube right here. It's super slippery. There we go. That's the esophagus, I guess. Looks good. We'll take this out and throw this stuff away later. Check up here. Got a nice hole. And that's it. So I did a better job skinning this one. This one looks really nice.